Today's word is boast. What does it mean? When do you use it? What's the difference between boasting and bragging? Let's find out these and more. Hi there, welcome to TELW, the English Workshop with me, Manu, your English coach. In this series of vocabulary videos, we're going to look at individual words or phrases and discuss around 6 aspects: pronunciation, meaning, the primary use, using the word or phrase in a sentence, a few relevant questions, if any, and some synonyms, again, if any. Let's start. How do you pronounce the word? It's boast. O, the sound is O. Boast. It means to speak with pride or vanity, especially of oneself. And when you do that, you tend to exaggerate. It's got a general use. You can use it wherever you want. There's no specific subject related to it. Let's look at the practical use of this word in sentences. India can boast of the largest and the most functional democracy. The university can boast, as its alumni, of some of the most illustrious army generals this nation has seen. Our institute can boast of a 90% success rate in its IELTS training. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Hit the bell icon to get more such videos regularly. Also, don't forget to use these words in your daily conversations. That's the only way you can make these words to your list of active vocabulary. Remember, you've got to own it to use it. Merely watching this video once and passing over to another will not help you. Now let's look at one relevant question. What's the difference between boasting and bragging? Boasting normally has a positive connotation. It's a self-congratulatory statement which is, for most part, justifiable. The college boasted of famous alumni. But bragging is tasteless. It has a tone of conceit. An overly favorable opinion of oneself. It's an expression of crude self-aggrandizement. He bragged that he repaired his car with his right hand tied behind his back. It's negative. And let's look at some synonyms. Gasconade, vaunt, crow, gloat, strut. And some informal synonyms could be blow one's horn, grandstand. His speech was a grandstand for the benefit of the TV viewers. Lay it on thick. He was trying to win over his girlfriend and he laid it on thick. Showboat. He was showboating for the cameras when he fell. Cock-a-doodle-doo. The speech was the chairman's cock-a-doodle-doo about the company's performance. Thank you for watching this video, liking it and subscribing to our channel. We'll see you in the next video. Until then.